And today, in the digital age, the answer is clearer than ever. Journalism, like science, is about thinking. It is about curiosity, observation, and evidence. And above all,
team at SDU Calbayog City will not just tell you how to win. We will show you how to become a champion. Okay?
I believe that the public journal is a public trust. That all connected with it are